If you plan to score real deals this Black Friday, you will want to bookmark these websites right now. The ones I've listed are globally more available, so do keep in mind your own local supplier probably has the best deals. Before we begin, please make sure you're subscribed. 99% isn't. So number one is Amazon. It's one of the biggest retailers globally and typically offers massive Black Friday style markdowns. So what we want to do is go to google.com, type Amazon Black Friday. Right here you have the 2025 deals. Let's click on it and it should already know what your location is. So mine is Netherlands. It will probably say your own country. Scroll down and you can see the top products. You can see celebrity favorites. But if you scroll down, you can also find gifting under $100. On the right, you can move to the next column. And right here, you can see how much percentage you're saving. The second one is better if you're in the US, and that is Best Buy. It is strong in electronic deals, and that includes online and in-store. So let's go to Google again and type Best Buy Black Friday email list, which is a little bit different. Let's click on the Best Buy link. And like I said, United States or Canada, click on United States. And the only thing you need to do right here is scroll all the way down. And on the right, you have an email list. Might be annoying. I recommend you sign up immediately. Sometimes you also have spam mail and you can easily use stamp mail to collect temporary mails and everything. But do keep in mind, these only save for like 2 days. And I recommend you only use them if you don't want to receive too much spam. It does delete it afterwards. Of course, Best Buy has a lot more deals, but if you have the email list, you might get a lot of selections. And especially if you have bought some things on your account, it will get more personalized. But do keep a look in the columns and everything for the best deals. Here's the third one. For fashion and lifestyle deals, ASOS or ASOS, not sure, offers one of the biggest event style promotions for Black Friday. If you want to get a new design, the best what you can do is, for example, install the ASOS app and then turn on notifications. Of course, we can also go to Google and search for ASOS. Right here we have the website. And if we select it, it doesn't say anything about Black Friday yet. Make sure you type that in. Right here we have the Black Friday deals for ASOS. Let's click on it. And you can choose with cookies what you want to share. Let's do only required. And right here we have it for Cyber Monday right now. When you scroll down, you can see women's wear, men's wear, or if you wanted to search for shop brands, like the North Face. Right here we have all the clothing, and you can see it can deliver to my location, the Netherlands. You can deliver somewhere else, shop in, we have multiple locations, like a lot of them. What I recommend you do is you go to sort, you can select what's new or the lowest price. I recommend the lowest price, depending on what you like. These might get the best discounts on this site. If you wanted to get this beanie, get it right now because it's 45% off. And now the fourth one. If home, furniture or decor are on your list, Wayfair's early Black Friday might be for you. Go to Google again, type Wayfair and then Black Friday. Right here, we have the best deal. So let's click on this link. If you want to have anything for your home, you can see all the discounts right here. Let's say you wanted to upgrade your bedroom or maybe the kitchen or dining room. You can click on it. And right here, we have multiple items. If you want to get the best prices, go to sort by, scroll down and then find low to high. Afterwards, go to filters. And right here, search everything you want and you will get the cheapest options. You can also find customer ratings if you still want to get a good product. Right here, if I want to get some dining chairs, I can select that and you can pick any of these. Right here, we have a set of 4 and it is almost 50% off. I think I like this one more. These are beauties. They are 55% off right now. So now I've mentioned 4 websites. And why? Well, Amazon is very big. It's broad. It has a lot of things. Best Buy is the best one for electronic deals. The third one is if you want to change your own fashion, ASOS. Number 4 is if you want to do a home furniture upgrade, Wayfair. And right now we are at the last one, which is a community-driven website where users actually upvote the best deals, making it great for spotting hidden gems. So let's go to that site. But before we begin, please make sure you're subscribed so you can receive more videos like this. Let's go to Google again and search for Slickdeals. Well, they have a Black Friday. Right here on Slickdeals Black Friday, let's go to the website, Select your own location. Well, I am from the EU. Right here we have all the best deals. If I wanted to get this MacBook, I can get it for a little bit cheaper. And free shipping. Actually, when searching this link, make sure you're not going to the forums, but instead you're going to this one. Categories, occasions, from the official Slickdeals website. It is still their website, but their forums. Make sure you click on this one. Because right here we have other deals, and they might be better. Like right here we have a LifePod. It's a lockable storage safe. That's what it is, okay? It is 36% off right now. And 32 people have liked it. I think it is like Reddit, that upvoting and downvoting. Of course with my account. So you might not see the bad ones, but you can still see the comments. Like right here we have a review that it doesn't include a fingerprint biometric scanner. For the deal itself, you have deal details, which are very important because you will be buying it at a different location, which is for example Costco. I actually think this is the best one because it directs you to different websites and it searches for the best deals. Remember Slickdeals this Friday or next Friday, whenever you're watching this. Make sure you're subscribed. I'm sorry I'm asking so many times. 99% is a lot. And I will be making a lot more videos like this and also more tech tips and everything. Linux, Windows, whatever you need. I got it for you. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.